Hey, so I'm checking out this smart body measuring tape. I was sent this for free in exchange for this video, but all of these thoughts are my own. A few things that I noticed right off the bat. At first, I was trying to pull out the measuring tape, and I couldn't figure it out, so I had to look at the manual. And it's really simple once you learn the secret. You just push this thing in first, and that releases it, because there's this little thing here that actually pops into that little groove there, so that you can get a really accurate measurement. So you push that to pop it out, and then it is popped out. Then you can pull out as much as you want, and the measurement is right there as you pull it out. So that's pretty cool. You can switch very easily between inches and centimeters, and then on this tape itself, you see the centimeters on one side and the inches on the other. It measures from, you can see here, from this rod all the way to the body itself. And my first thought was, well, is that really how I want to measure? What if I only want to measure to here? But the thing is, if you use this correctly, it's for a circumference, for example, you wrap this around whatever you want to measure. So you wrap it around your wrist, and you put this back into this spot right here. There we go. Pops in there, and then you push this little button here, and that gives you an accurate measurement if you have that twisted the right way. All right, there we go. And then you do that, and then it gives you an accurate measurement all the way around. See that? So then you could actually push that button there, and I'll show you what that means here in just a second, because all these measurements you can actually keep track of via the app that they also give you. Pretty cool. So I've already measured my head, my neck, and my shoulders, and now I'm going to measure my chest next. I'll show you how that works. So I'm just going to take the tape and measure around under my arms from my shoulders, or from my chest. Pop it back into that spot there. And then when I'm happy with the measurement, right there, I push that button there, and that actually records it onto the app. I'll show you what that does. See, check this out. It measured 109.9 centimeters, and now on the app, because I had the chest one selected, it recorded it at 109.9 centimeters. So it syncs by using that button there. So if I were to push this next one, for example, and it's 81.4, since we're selected on the left arm, if I click that button there, it synced it at 81.4. And now it kind of shows you whatever it's measuring at the time. So if I were to retract this a little bit, you can see it shows it in real time what it's going to be measured at, but it doesn't record it. It doesn't lock that in position until you push that button. And then it goes on to the next one. Pretty cool. Really easy to use once you figure out that you just got to push that in to lock it in each time, and that way it's locked. Even when that's locked in there, you actually can pull this out some more if you need to. Just keep that in mind. But yeah, pushing that button there retracts the whole thing, and it's ready to go. And yeah, pretty cool device, pretty cool way to measure your body stuff, and also keep a record of those things for when you need to later. Charges up via USB-C. Cool device if you need it. Hope that helps you know if it's something you want to buy.